All right, now let's move on to dosing. We have two different systems on display here. First, on the right side, a classic doser with pneumatic inlet and outlet valves. A classic control system, as one knows it, and an electric pump stand. Here in front, you can see our new development, the smart dosing application head. The idea here is that we directly bring the material from the barrel to the head through the hose and apply it directly from the barrel. Currently still with a classic control system. In this case, it is a Beckhoff-based system. We have Siemens-based systems, but still classic PLC. And the TÜNKERS gentlemen have already introduced the TCU today in the introduction. Here we are starting now with the smart dosing so that the entire dosing process is represented on this small TCU. Why are we starting with smart dosing? Smart dosing, completely electric servo motor. Here on this small controller unit, we have a small PLC with a PROFINET connection, and thus we can connect to the cell like a standard system. Maybe a few more words about the electric pump stand. Depending on whether you have seen dosing systems in body in white as they normally look, left and right you have slightly larger pneumatic drives, and in the middle a large cylinder powering the pump. Looks very different here. A completely compact design. We have a swivel at the back that moves the follower plate, and there we save about 30% space compared to a pneumatic system. And we have the great advantage that with the electric version we only generate as much pressure as we need for the process, for the conveying. We don't have that with the pneumatic version. We can easily adjust that with the electric version. We have various sensors on the pump here, and that's how regarding wear on the seals, etc., we have very big advantages in the electrical system. A few more words about the classic doser. Driven here also by a servo motor, a piston-based system. Here we have the possibility to connect a seam monitoring system, meaning a camera, a laser system, or whatever. When the material is applied, the cameras or lasers would then measure the width and height of the seam accordingly, and thus we have 100% quality control.